Gentlemen, if you're over 60, you've probably noticed something. Your memory isn't as sharp as it once was, names slip, focus fades, and reading fine print feels tougher than it used to. Most men blame it on age, but the truth is simpler. Your brain and eyes are running low on the nutrients they need to recharge overnight. What if, instead of expensive supplements or pills, you could restore that power naturally while you sleep? Today, I'll show you 4 powerful nighttime drinks that help rebuild your brain's clarity, protect your vision, and even boost your energy for the next morning. Each one is backed by research, simple to prepare, and made from ingredients you can find in any kitchen. Quick question, gentlemen. Which of your senses do you feel slipping first, your memory or your vision? Drop your answer in the comments before we dive into these 4 powerful drinks. Hey, I'm Sarah Mitchell, a men's health expert dedicated to helping men over 60 stay strong, vital, and full of energy. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe to Senior-Ology, your go-to channel for practical science-backed tips on men's vitality, prostate health, energy, and overall health. Let's start with the first drink that works like fuel for your brain cells. Drink number 1. Warm walnut milk. Walnuts are often called brain food for a reason. If you look closely, they even resemble the human brain. But it's not just coincidence. They're packed with omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and natural melatonin, the hormone that helps your brain repair itself while you rest. When you drink warm walnut milk before bed, you're sending those nutrients directly where they're needed most, to your neurons. Studies from UCLA found that older adults who regularly consumed walnuts performed significantly better on memory and processing tests. But there's more. Walnuts also contain polyphenols, plant compounds that protect neurons from oxidative stress and inflammation. Oxidative stress is one of the biggest accelerators of cognitive decline after 60, and polyphenols act like a shield, slowing down the damage and improving communication between brain cells. To make it, soak a handful of walnuts for 6 hours, blend them with a cup of warm milk, almond or low-fat dairy, and drink it about 30 minutes before bedtime. For an extra boost, add a pinch of cinnamon or a teaspoon of honey. Cinnamon improves blood flow to the brain and adds natural sweetness without spiking blood sugar. The result? Calmer nerves, better sleep, and sharper recall the next morning. Over time, this simple nightly habit can improve working memory, reaction time, and even mood, all crucial for men over 60 who want to stay mentally agile. Drink number 2. Blueberry and Chia Smoothie. Your eyes age faster than almost any part of your body. The delicate blood vessels and retinal cells are constantly exposed to light and oxidative stress. Blueberries are packed with anthocyanins, pigments that boost retinal health, strengthen night vision, and reduce eye strain. Chia seeds take this drink to another level. Chia provides omega-3s and soluble fiber that improve blood flow to the eyes and brain, reduce systemic inflammation, and support healthy gut bacteria. When your gut is healthy, inflammation drops throughout your body, including in the small blood vessels that feed your retina. The antioxidants in blueberries, combined with the omega-3s in chia, help reduce oxidative damage to neurons, improve synaptic plasticity, and support long-term memory retention. One study published in Frontiers in Aging Neuroscience found that seniors who consumed blueberry extracts daily improved both short-term memory and mood after just 12 weeks. Here's a simple preparation. Blend half a cup of blueberries, 1 teaspoon of chia, half a banana, and a cup of almond milk or water. You can also add a sprinkle of flaxseed for extra omega-3s or a dash of cinnamon to help stabilize blood sugar overnight. Drink it chilled about an hour before sleep. It's light, refreshing, and deeply restorative, the kind of fuel your brain and eyes quietly crave. Drink number 3, Beet and Pomegranate Tonic. You might not realize it, but your brain and eyes both depend on strong blood flow to function at their best. When circulation weakens, oxygen delivery drops, and with it, your focus, stamina, and even mood. Beetroot and pomegranate are natural nitric oxide boosters. Nitric oxide relaxes and widens blood vessels, increasing oxygen supply to critical organs while you rest. A clinical study in Nitric Oxide Journal in 2020 found that adults over 60 who drank beet juice daily had significantly improved cerebral blood flow, especially in the frontal lobe, the area responsible for focus and decision making. Pomegranate adds antioxidants like punicolagens, which protect blood vessels from oxidative stress and support healthy endothelial function. Together, beet and pomegranate improve oxygen and nutrient delivery to your brain and retina, reducing fatigue and improving mental clarity. Preparation: mix half a cup of fresh beet juice with half a cup of pomegranate juice. Add a splash of lemon or ginger to balance the earthy flavor. Drink it about an hour before bed or in the late afternoon if you need a cognitive boost during the day.